Hi, I'm Dr. Bren. Thanks for stopping on this page. Most couples come to therapy because something isn't working anymore. But underneath the arguments and the misunderstanding, there's usually something deeper calling. The desire to rediscover one another and to evolve together. My approach to couples counseling isn't about a quick fix or learning how to fight better or win those fights. It's about understanding the unconscious patterns shaping your relationships, what Jung called the shadow and the self. Together, we explore the myth your relationship is living and how to bring consciousness, compassion, and creativity back into your relationship. Traditional therapy often focuses on behavior or communication skills. In Jungian work, we go deeper to the symbolic, the imaginal, and the archetypal forces that draw two souls together in the first place. I integrate Jungian analysis, internal family systems, dream work, and relational systems theory to help you see not just what's wrong, but what's trying to emerge. We begin with an initial consultation to understand your story, your history, your dynamics and patterns, and what each partner longs for. Then we move into the depth work, parts dialogue, shadow integration, and archetypal exploration. Between sessions, you'll practice simple reflections and embodied exercises to bring new awareness into your daily life. You'll learn to recognize projections and reclaim lost aspects of yourself. Through IFS, you'll understand your parts. Through dream work, you'll listen to messages from your unconscious. Through active imagination, you'll dialogue with symbolic figures of your unconscious. Shadow work, transforming blame into self-knowledge. And archetypal analysis, seeing the deeper myth at play within your own psyche. Through this process, couples find more than resolution. They find renewal. You'll cultivate awareness, intimacy, and the capacity to hold each other's wholeness. My sessions are $195 an hour, and each meeting becomes a step on your shared path of transformation. If you feel your relationship is ready for depth and meaning, book your initial consultation today.